This is how they try to get you. I'm not switching to no Glambag Plus, okay? You'll get 5 full-size beauty products every month for $25 a month. No, thank you. I want both plans. And then they only got I want both plans and just switch to Glambag Plus. They really try to get you. Like, imagine I was moving mad quick and they would have took that money right off my card. No, thank you. Y'all already getting $10 and y'all doing well. It's like, where they do that at? Hi my butterflies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's your girl Kayla and we're back with another Ipsy video. As y'all read in the title, y'all already know what time it is. It's Ipsy video time. So get comfortable, get your little snacks, your water, get your phone out to get ready to download this app and subscribe to the Ipsy Glambag subscription, and get your water out, you know, stay hydrated so you're never thirsty, okay? All right, let's get straight into this video, y'all. Let's get straight into this video, y'all. But do y'all like that, my new intro? You guys are not my butterflies. Like, as y'all know, y'all know, y'all should know, I love butterflies. I love butterflies. A butterfly is my spirit animal or insect, or butterflies are just me. I'm the butterfly queen, okay? So y'all being my love, me letting y'all into my world and into my life, I'm gonna call y'all my butterflies. Of course, it's still the cold click because it's a mob. We with the gang with the mob. But you guys are my butterflies, okay? So when you guys hear me come into my videos and say, hey butterflies, what's up butterflies, hi butterflies, know that that's y'all, okay? But like I was saying, I'm always rambling. I like to talk. I like to talk. I remember when I used to be at the last job I had, I used to have this employee. I'm not even gonna get into the accent that she had because it might, I don't really care. Sis used to be saying I talk too much. So what? I like to talk, all right? I like to talk. I don't talk to just anybody though, so that's the good thing about me. I love to talk, but I'm gonna talk to people that I know are interested in the conversation that I have to offer. And I like to talk to people that have good conversation. So the person I used to always say I like to talk, I was never talking to sis. She was just always butting in conversations that I was talking with the people that I was talking to. So she clearly was intrigued and interested and fascinated by my conversation. That's why she always said that, okay? But anyways, I like to talk, but not to everybody. I'm very selective and I'm very private, but I do like to speak. Y'all already know that because y'all watch my videos all the time, so y'all know. Y'all already know. But anyways, let's get into this September glam bag. Isn't this glam bag so cute? Like, I want to say I wasn't in a mood, but I wasn't in the best mood, or something had just pissed me off, I think, before I came back inside from doing what I was doing. And I seen that my glam bag came, so that brightened my mood already. And then I came inside and I opened it and I seen that this was my glam bag, and I was like, I'm in love. Like, it's clearly something with astrology, and it's a crystal here. I was trying to look this crystal up before the video to have it and tell y'all what it meant, this, that, and the fourth, but I couldn't find it. So if y'all know what crystal this is, comment down below. Comment down below or DM me or whatever. I want to know what type of crystal this is and what is the meaning behind it, okay? I love astrology without knowing much about it. I really do kind of want to just get into it just for something like a new hobby, but I haven't found the time to invest into figuring out, because it is a lot that comes with astrology, you feel me? So when I get the time, that will be a new hobby that I invest my time into. But for now, you guys help me out. Tell me what this crystal means. Our brochure for the September 2019 glam bag says, find your light. Love that. Find your light, be the light, embrace your light, and find the light in other people, and allow them to feel so comfortable around you, and when they're with you, that they want to embrace their light as well. I love that. I love light, people that are light and just positive and just I love it. Okay, so that's our thing, you know, revealing all of our products for the day. And let's get into this glam bag unboxing for real now, because I'm playing around. I just took some. Our first product is going to be this bomb ass f.a.r.a.h brushes contour 218M in midnight blue brush. It's, I already told y'all what the name of the brush is, but the brush is fire and it's in the color midnight blue. Beautiful. This brush is pretty, it's very soft, it doesn't have any smell, and I just love this matte. Like, I love matte. It's so sophisticated and just bomb to me. Like, I love it. Okay, this brush is bomb. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to add it to my brush collection. Like I told y'all, my brush collection is filled with brushes, and I have not done my makeup in months. I don't think I've done my makeup since probably April. Honestly, April, or the last time, that last video that y'all see me upload, the flawless foundation routine, was the last time I applied makeup on my face. I have not applied makeup all summer, nothing. But I might start getting back into makeup. Don't be fooled, but don't be fooled, but at the same time, I have not been doing makeup. So all these brushes are about to come in handy, is what I'm really trying to say. Okay, product number two is this f.a.r.a.h Cosmetics lip gloss. So it's a f.a.r.a.h Cosmetics collab with Madison Miller, and the color is Smiley for Riley. Okay, this color is cute. It kind of matches my nails. Y'all know I'm big on lip gloss. Let's try it on. Let's see how it looks. All I have on right now is Blistex. Okay. It's cute. I love lip gloss. I love lip gloss that doesn't have too much of a pigment, and I love lip gloss that has glitter and it's just glossy. This is not too glossy. It kind of reminds me of like a lip balm because it's moisturizing without being too glossy. I love glossy though. I don't really care, but it kind of reminds me of like a lip balm, just with that glossy sparkly effect, and it's cute. I really like it. So that's going straight in my lip gloss collection. Ipsy has really added to my lip gloss collection and my brushes collection a lot. Like, y'all have added to this collection OD. Third item we have would be this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now the top ones to stick on. Earlier when I opened it, because I did look at a few of the items, not all, it was all over the place. Like, I can say it smells amazing. It really smells like watermelon. Like, this is not like just a watermelon fragrance. It smells like real watermelon. Real watermelon. And you guys can see the consistency is really soft and just like putty type of thing. So I don't really know if I'm gonna use this, because y'all know I like to use really natural products on my skin, just things really from Honey & Co Cosmetics. And right now I'm having a breakout because I was having a ball. I was eating all types of sweets, candy, you know, not drinking as much water as I should have been, just not doing usual Kayla things. Like candy, y'all know I love candy, but I'm giving it up. Okay, I just dip and dab sometimes. And water is something that that's the only thing that I drink. So me not drinking the amount that I normally drink throws me off automatically. Like, it's just like my body just is craving it because it knows that normally all I'm doing is drinking my water. So I'm having a little bit of a breakout, but Honey & Co Cosmetics is getting me all the way together. My breakouts are drying out, and that's always a good sign. So in the next few videos, my skin gonna be together. Don't even worry about nothing. Our fourth item is this Colored Rain Cosmetics eyeshadow in the color Glamour. So here's the boxing. Let's see this product. Last but not least, our final product, our fifth item is gonna be this Too Faced mascara, and it is named the Damn Girl Mascara. Because Damn Girl, they be getting them lashes all the way together, okay? And it's a 24-hour mascara, and they say that it intensifies and curls the heck out of your lashes. Let's see how it looks. I feel like I've seen this mascara before. I didn't even know it was Too Faced until just now. But this is nice. We love a good mascara wand, okay? When we have nice, unique mascara wands, we love that. We love mascara wands that really catch your lashes, because that's what we be wearing over here. Because we don't know how to put on lashes, okay? I'm in the midst of learning. I know I've been saying that, but I'm gonna learn soon, y'all. I am gonna learn soon. All right, y'all, my camera's about to die, but this concludes our video. This is the end of our September Ipsy Glambag video. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Thank you everybody for just showing me love and support. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you for just standing by me and rocking with all of these Ipsy Glambag videos. They are coming to an end. This is the second to last one, so October will be our last Ipsy Glambag video, and then we're gonna move on to a new endeavor. And I just thank y'all for, you know, showing me love and support. So later, my butterflies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.